The Exchange Club of Charleston presented Dr. George Greene III the Book of Golden Deeds Award today at the Charleston Rifle Club. The Book of Golden Deeds Award recognizes dedicated volunteers who give endless hours of their time and talents toward making their communities better places to live. Dr. Greene, the co-founder of Water Mission, and has spent more than 2 decades in leadership roles as CEO and executive chair. Under his guidance, Water Mission grew into a global organization serving people in 60 countries.
We never really thought about how Water Mission needed to grow. What we knew, though, was that Water Mission was dealing with a global crisis and that 2 people in Charleston, South Carolina weren't going to solve this problem. So today, yes, Water Mission is a large organization. There are about 600 people working with Water Mission around the world. But we work in
amazing work they do. Additionally, Dr. Greene serves as the co-founder and executive chair of the Global Water Center. Dr. Greene, Water Mission, and the Global Water Center recognized as major international leaders combating the global water crisis.